You need a webcam for your PC, or you have a laptop with a poor quality webcam and you want a better one. You could spend a lot of money for a quality webcam with a microphone because you get what you pay for, right? Well, not necessarily. I did some research and found a really good quality webcam that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. The webcam I found that can't be beat for the price is eMeet's C960. It has great video quality as well as great audio quality that you won't find in webcams similar in price. Let's take a look at eMeet C960 Webcam. I need subscribers so I can tell my YouTuber friend. Then he tells me how many subscribers he has. And I say, no, you don't. He says, yes, I do. No, you don't. Yes, I do. Then we get mad, don't talk for a few days. I miss him. He misses me. He calls. He says, hey. I say, hey. Then he says, yes, I do. I say, no, you don't. Please like and comment below, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Okay? Thank you. This is the eMeet C960's website, and I'll put a link for this in the description below. It has a nice picture of the webcam, a list of some of its features. It has 2 microphones. It records in 1080p and in 30 FPS, has fixed focus and 90-degree wide angle view. Has an introductory video that you can watch. And then down below it lists some more of its features and has some really nice features to it. And back up to the top, it has a link where you can buy it. But there are 2 better sources to buy it at. The first source is Amazon, and I'll put a link for this in the description below. The first thing to note is its price. In US dollars, it's $28.89. Yeah, that's a good deal. And its features and about this item. And I almost forgot, its rating, almost 5 stars. That's pretty good. The second source is Walmart. Again, I'll put a link below. The price here is, in US dollars, $27.19. Great. Down below, there's product details and specifications. You've ordered your webcam. What can you expect to receive? You get this cute little box. Inside, you have phone numbers for tech support and a website for tech support. Also, you have a user manual and a card for a 1-year warranty. The webcam itself, of course, has the camera in the middle and 2 microphones on each end. And also, I forgot to mention, has a privacy cover that comes in the box. It has an adhesive strip. You pull off the strip on it and just stick it on the top of the camera. And then it has a clip that you can use to clip onto your monitor. And it has rubber backing, makes it so it will clip on really nice and tight onto your monitor. And has a nice long cable. And the cable itself is about 5 feet long, and a USB connection for your PC. And it is plug and play, so that means when you plug it in your PC, your computer will recognize it as a new device, and so it's very easy to plug into your computer and start using it. The only thing is that you may need to go into your computer and make the microphone as a default microphone, but the user manual will tell you how to do that. Also on the bottom, it has a little attachment so you can use this with a tripod. Here's a sample of a full screen recording using eMeet. The video looks nice and crisp. The colors look good. The wide angle looks good without having that fisheye look that some webcams have where straight lines look curved. The sound is much better than what you would find in other webcams in the same price range. Oh, and movements don't have that choppy look. You could spend a lot more money for movie quality video or spend a lot more for broadcast sound quality, like for a Snowball or a Yeti microphone, but for less than $30, the eMeet C960 webcam does a great job. That was a look at eMeet C960, a great inexpensive webcam. Please like and comment below, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you for watching. If you click my name below, you can see other videos I've done that may be of interest to you. See you!